Hey everyone, today I will show you the background apps quietly eating your RAM and how to stop them. If your PC feels slow, even when nothing's open, background apps are the reason. So the first thing you can do is find them. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Now, go ahead and click the Processes tab at the top. Then, click Memory to sort. You'll see exactly which apps are eating the most RAM. For any app you don't need right now, a game launcher, an editor you're not using, just right. Click it and select End Task. That frees up that memory instantly. Here's the one most people miss. Click Start, then Settings, then Apps, then Startup. Simply turn off anything you don't use daily. That stops it from eating your RAM the moment you boot up. If your PC's still slow after this next one's for you. Google is reading your emails to train AI. Tap the video to keep your data safe. That's it. You've successfully stopped those background apps from eating your RAM. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.